Ooh, this fabric is so beautiful. You guys need to see this. Hey everyone, it's Teresa, aka Teresa Slay, owner of See The Slay Fashion House, and you're watching See The Slay TV. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the show. So in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of some fabric that I ordered for this new collection, this new product that I'm coming out with. You guys know that See The Slay has its caftans and kimonos collection. I'm adding a new piece to our collection called the Caftan Rain. Why is it called Caftan Rain? Great question that you asked. It's called Caftan Rain because rain means queen, and the material that I'm using to make this is a liquid macado. Liquid, rain is liquid, and then rain, the queen. Give me points for creativity. You have to give me points for creativity. Let me show you the draft first. You probably already saw the shorts uploaded on the channel. Let me just say thank you guys for the time I'm filming this. It is February 5th and I'm at like 56 subscribers, which is a lot because I was just at 30 a couple days ago. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and please continue to support. I really appreciate it. So I literally just finished making the draft, so the shirt that you saw in that short is the same shirt I'm wearing. But I get that content. So you guys can see like the style that I'm thinking of. Just a kaftan. It's actually going to be a kaftan, not a kimono, because it's going to have an invisible zip here as a closure. It's a v-neck. Muslin is where the regular macado will be. Then the shiny side of the macado, the liquid side, the rain, right, will be on the pleat. Let's get to the unboxing part, which is why you clicked on the video. I got it from Nude Fabrics. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I also have an affiliate link in the description box. I'm also gonna pin it in the comments. If you want to shop using my link, that way anytime you purchase anything from Nude Fabrics, I'll get a little percentage. So I ordered 4 yards of the main fabric. This is the double-faced macado fabric, which is so expensive. It's like $40 per yard. Ooh, this fabric is so beautiful. You guys need to see this. Are you seeing this? Do you see how, like, I wish you guys could touch it. I love macado fabric. Macado is so rich. Not a thin, flimsy, cheap fabric. It's just like on its own. Macado on its own is rich. I'm gonna be premiering these at New York Fashion Week. See this day will be at New York Fashion Week on February 14th, 5 p.m. It will be perfect since I'm premiering this on Valentine's Day. Red Valentine's Day. I'll feel it for you. You could feel it if you buy it. Opposite side of it. You see how shiny it is? I can't feel it, but I will. Gosh, it's so like high quality. You can see why it's $40 a yard. So this is only compared to the sample. So the muslin part will be the regular macado, right? This shiny part. So if you can see what the shiny part looks, how it looks against the regular. If you walk in a place where there's lights or you walking with this in the sunlight, the way you're gonna glow and illuminate. I'm not gonna sell something that I don't like or that I feel is trash. Like, if I'm making it and I'm putting it at that price, I would actually buy it myself. Yeah, in case you want to explore more of Nude Fabrics and what they have to offer, they have so much on their site. Fabric, zippers, buttons, thread, anything you need to make clothes, design clothes, they have it. Okay, because we're still in the winter season, I want to focus on jewel tones now, and then down the line, I'll release some more colors. I got 4 yards of this. They gave me a little discount card. So here are the other swatches that I ordered. And these swatches were free. I don't know why they were free, but they were free. So swatches were free and then free shipping. So I just had to pay for the fabric. Here are the other colors that we offer. It's this green. It's like dark green color. I hope you can see it. And then here's the shiny part. Look at that. Look. I hope it doesn't look teal on camera. It's a forest green. Like you can see. Like imagine the pleat was here and then the regular fabric was here. That's what it'll look like. Royal blue. It's like your standard royal blue color, and then here's the shiny side. There's the two sides together. Last but not least, we have gold. And then the back, you guys. They're not ready. You're not ready for this new collection. The two sides together. It's very thick. You see that? You see that? You see them? So yeah, so these are the swatches, and then you guys saw the main fabric, the red. So this is gonna get turned into a caftan as well as a headpiece. Hopefully I have enough fabric for it, but 4 yards, this should be more than enough fabric for everything that's going to be included in the order. And then here are the samples, so in case you want to order the caftan in these colors, I'll have these samples posted on the website. End of March, early April, I'm going to come out with new colors. I'm actually going to do something special for International Women's Day. I'm going to come out with a special color. You can probably guess what it is in the comments. Sure to follow us on Instagram at Theresa Slay and my personal page at Theresa Slay Official. Check out our website, theresa.com, so that you guys can see all the pretty pictures. If you're in the New York area, check out New York Fashion Week. And if you can't make it, still follow us on Instagram so that you can see how it went. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you guys like this video. I hope it wasn't too boring, but an idea of how I go about ordering fabrics, how to plan for an upcoming collection, and don't order all the fabric for each color. No, do one sample piece, have the swatches of the other colors so that customers can pick, and then you make it on the spot. These caftans, all the caftans in my Caftans and Clothes collection are made to order. When you order it is when we start to make it. That's when we buy the fabric and make it. It takes about 2 weeks. That's the time frame, 2 weeks. Order the fabric, create it, and then get it shipped out to you. I'm actually gonna put a special code in the description box. I love my subscribers, and I love those of you who are viewing my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate all your support. You get a special discount code not only on the new collection but on the entire store. Valentine's Day. Special discount code will be in the description box. So if you're watching this and you want a discount, check the description box. Let me see who is reading, who is paying attention, who is listening. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.